A tea leaf travels through time, perhaps hundreds of millions of years, before it is embraced by tender hands after an ordinary rain, to become a welcome addition to average homes like a swallow. Hardworking Chinese people travel from one mountain to another in search of tea leaves as seasons change. With a respect for history and appreciation for nature's gifts, they have given each leaf a beautiful name. Tie Guanyin, which originated in southeast China, was named for its leaves shaped like the face of the Bodhisattva Guanyin. It smells salty sweet and floral like orchids, Bodhisattva shape and Zen smile. Thus the name Tie Guanyin. Da Hong Pao is the name for another tea variety. The three tea plants tinted red by the top scholar's red robe are the rare and precious mother trees. Its green leaves are red-rimmed, with a rich earthy and floral fragrance. In Yunnan province, home to majority of large wild tea trees, the Bulang people drink pu'er tea, rich in polyphenols and amino acids, for its healthy benefits. Pu'er tea was named after the city where it originated. The place was a prosperous hub in China's ancient tea horse road, where people traded silk, porcelain, horses, tea, and salt. Thanks to trade, pu'er tea is now enjoyed all over the world. In China's developed eastern region, Westlake Longjing tea and Anji white tea leaves are picked and fried around the rainy season. Tea is the reason that people flock to Westlake and Anji every spring. Tea lands are great getaway destinations for Chinese people. The Chinese character for tea consists of three parts: grass, trees, and people in between. Tea is a plant. Chinese people are grateful to nature for this bounty of tea leaves. The fragrance of tea lingering in the air remains one of the rotating seasons. Tea leaves floating and sinking represent life's ups and downs that one must face with patience. Tea culture originated in China. When drinking alone, Chinese people reflect on themselves amid the fragrance of tea, living eternity in a moment. A tea ceremony is performed for drinking together. Drinking tea has become a beautiful ritual in life. Amid generous and warm greetings from friends, tea refreshments, feasts, and music are served to guests. The tea ceremony is filled with warm affection and peacefulness. When drinking tea, one's heart and soul become one with heaven and earth. One can taste nature in a cup of tea. Tea represents the harmony between humans and nature and between lives on earth.